Now, Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, parts of the coastal bend did see thunderstorms this afternoon and a good rainfall as the downpours and thunder and lightning moved through Corpus Christi. There was this large area of showers and storms that just remained nearly stationary over Corpus, meandering around for over an hour, and that gave us some decent rainfall. Doppler was estimating up to an inch in the city. But as we look in other areas, we also had a lot of lightning, and that dangerous lightning too. This incredible photo was taken by Kim ROJAS DELEON as she was in Portland picking up her kids from school at 3:15 and captured this lightning strike on camera. A good example of why when you hear thunder you need to get indoors, because you could be within lightning strike distance. So you got to remember that lightning can be quite dangerous. But interesting shot there. It's pretty tough to get those on camera. Anyway, we see the showers and thunderstorms now focusing inland. We only have a couple of showers left closer to the coastline. You can see that rain's kind of winding down here. But as you go inland, there's still a little bit of thunder and lightning in this system just to the southeast of Freer, north of Benavides. Otherwise, not as much rain now. That is going to taper off through the evening. But tomorrow we could pick up a shower or two once again. It just doesn't look as impressive. Nice to have the cooling, huh? That's the nice thing about the rain. Not only do we need the moisture, but it helped give us a little relief today from all that heat and humidity. It is still 80 degrees in Corpus Christi and down to 87 degrees at Alice right now. But of course, what we didn't have the rain. Look at how hot it is in Beeville. It's at 94 degrees right now. But winds are pretty light in most areas. They have picked up a little in our inland areas right now, 17-mile-an-hour winds in Kingsville. And you can see that we're not going to be dealing with much wind over the next week or so. The winds are coming down, and you can see they're going to be fairly light as we head into the weekend, and shifting directions here to the east-northeast ahead of an easterly wave coming in from the Gulf, this tropical moisture that could bring us some rain again by Labor Day. In the meantime, here is Future Tracker for this evening. As I mentioned, those showers and storms are going to continue to end, and we're dry in the overnight hours, but forecast models say, yeah, we might get a couple more of these tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be as widespread because the moisture content decreases in the atmosphere for tomorrow. Nevertheless, we could see a few showers or a thunderstorm during the day tomorrow. They'll be very hit and miss, so maybe if you didn't get wet today, you might get one or two tomorrow. Looking at the school day forecast, then, it starts off pretty warm again in the morning and very muggy, 78 degrees, hitting 97 tomorrow with a partly cloudy sky. That heat index at 4 o'clock close to 109 degrees. So yeah, if we get that sunshine, of course, we're going to see the heat return tomorrow with high temperatures forecast to be anywhere from 92 at Rockport tomorrow, 100 at Alice, 101 at George West, and 97 to 98 degrees in Corpus Christi tomorrow. The heat index, as I mentioned, up to about 108, 109 tomorrow, but it does continue to come down as we head toward the weekend. It'll feel a little bit better out there. There is tropical moisture that's showing up still today on the forecast models that could affect us by Monday and Tuesday. This tropical wave here still looks like it's going to be moving toward us. The darker green colors and those light blues indicate more moisture with this. And you see how it moves in around next Monday and Tuesday, maybe enough to give us some scattered showers for the end of the holiday weekend. Before that, the showers will be very spotty. So with that, here is the holiday weekend forecast then. The temperatures closer to normal, 95 degrees Saturday, going up slightly on Sunday. We have some slightly drier air Sunday that might actually bring the temperature up slightly, and 96, 94 for Monday, and that's the better chance that we'll see some rain. Now on to Dorian. Dorian has been a tricky system. You saw the forecasts have been changeable in the past 48 hours, and right now it is a Category 1 storm affecting Puerto Rico. As it continues to move to the northwest, it'll stay east of the Bahamas as a Category 2, possibly strengthening to a Category 3 storm before making landfall in central Florida. Forecast path of this, though, has changed. Notice it's curving more, and some of our forecast models are taking this path. Now that you can see, this is the Hurricane Center's path, and here are the forecast models taking it back into the Gulf. Now, it's more likely that it'll end up going north here, taking this path, but certainly anything that enters the Gulf is something we are going to watch very closely for next week, as that path may change a bit. All right, so with that, here is your 7-day forecast. Temperature-wise, it's still going to be pretty hot the next few days, but as I mentioned, we start to see those temperatures come down a little bit as we head into the weekend, and rain chances increase slightly for Monday and Tuesday.